Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a specific and different CSS styling technique. Have you ever seen in books, magazines, or newspapers? There is a big, decorated first letters at the beginning of chapters or news. You can do similar on your own website. Before we jump into the code, let's briefly discuss why you might want to style the first letter of a text element. These are the following reasons we need to style the first letter. Make it look nicer, visual appeal and brand identity. Special letters can help organize your writing and make it more visually appealing, just like using different fonts or sizes. Easier to read, improved readability. Using special letters at the beginning of paragraphs or sections can act like little flags, helping readers find their way around your writing. A bit of fun, drop caps and decorative effects. You can use fancy letters like big, decorated capital letters or other designs to add a touch of personality to your writing. Accessibility considerations. While styling should generally benefit all users, so don't make your writing hard to understand. Here's the syntax. It targets the first letter of the first line within a block-level element like p tag or h1 tag. You can use few CSS properties with first letter pseudo selector. These are properties. Now let's see some practical examples. Here we want to style the first letter of every paragraph. If you're increasing the size of the first letter, make sure it doesn't overlap surrounding text. When we look in the browser, it looked like this. We extend our previous code and apply some other properties, float and margin right. It looks more better. While styling the first letter can be nice, make sure it doesn't make the text harder to read. Please, let me make an important point here. This selector only works with block-level elements, like paragraphs and headings, not inline elements like span. Now we apply line height property. Here we have selected the first letter of all paragraphs and apply line height property. Add a touch of formality by styling the first letter of headings with larger size, bold weight, or a different color. First of all, add h1 heading in our HTML. We add some basic style to h1 heading. It is looking so simple, why not give it more style? We change font family, font size and give shadow to the first letter. Now it looks so nice. Now we experiment with different styles to create visually appealing first letters for posters, infographics, or other design elements. We add background image to first letter of h1 heading to make it more decorative. Wow, it is looking so nice. We move on to the last example of our tutorial today and tries to style the first letter of a quotation. We give a simple style to the first letter of the quotation, increase the font size slightly and simply change the color. It looks a little better than before. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.